Hello everyone. Today I am going to share how to choose and store avocados, which are good for salads, toast and guacamole. Makes it easy while purchasing and prepping ahead. Avocado is such a healthy fruit rich in healthy fats. Helps to lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Usually avocados get ripened very fast, all at one go. Thus it gets tough to finish off. Over-ripened gets spoiled in a day itself. Let's get started. Best way to choose avocados is by color and gentle squeeze. More greenish ones will be harder, yet to ripen. Dark brownish ones will be soft, ripened. Dark brownish, more softer, little squishy skin are over-ripened. Store the yet to ripen ones at room temperature, will ripen in 2 to 3 days. Store the ripened and over-ripened avocados in fridge to keep them fresh for 5 to 6 more days. These ripened ones are good for salads. Over-ripened are more softer, good for guacamole and toast. Cut the ripened ones as slices or chunks for salads. Over-ripened ones being more softer, easy to blend with spoon or fork. Serve with little salt, chilies and onions. Let's see how to store leftover avocado. You can de-seed if you want. Cover with empty shell or wrap in Ziploc or plastic wrap. Or brush with little lemon juice on top and wrap. Store in fridge, stays fresh for 1 to 2 days. See you again with more amazing recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.